Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis, RJO Futures, Senior Market Strategist here, and it's Friday morning, May 7th. We're going to talk to you about the grain markets here. Corn's down 1 as we speak. Beans are up 5. And wheat is down 4. Kind of a quiet morning, a little bit of profit taking in the air. There's rumor China's buying more U.S. corn, and we're confirmation on that today. Good shipments of new crop corn sold to China here this morning, but that news flow continues here. There's rumor China's buying U.S. ethanol, and I mean, that's a good story. And all the smog in the big cities in China and Beijing and Wuhan and things like that, and buying U.S. ethanol makes a lot of sense in my analysis. So just China continuing here buying grains. I just want to mention Australia and China now. They seem to be on the outs here in diplomatic relations. So it's quite a world we live in, and just two big commodity powerhouses, China, Australia. And China buys all their barley from Australia. So kind of interesting twist here in agriculture. And you can see already Argentina picking up the barley shipments to China here. And, Argentina corn, those farmers, they're concerned. They're selling a lot of corn, busy doing it. They're concerned about an export tax that their government would put on there. So kind of a little bit of things going on here. Okay, as we move into the summer now, I think it's worth mentioning just the panic short covering that we saw in May corn. Is that going to happen in July corn? I mean, that was really, really impressive how May corn was so strong going into its expiration. So we'll talk about that as we move into the summer. Again, these charts, the corn chart, trees typically don't go to the sky, but here's December corn up 33% since March 1st. So markets typically don't go like this. So here we see this corn just really, really trending higher. And many analysts will say the trend is your friend here. So soybean chart, same kind of chart, trending higher. ADM, they say there's going to be 5 more million acres, and the trade's kind of looking for 2 or 3 million acres. So, and even the Bunge CEO, he's saying high prices are not yet curbing demand here, and profits from the meat industry remain very good. So this summer, usually we rally $1 or $2 or $3 in the soybean. So going to be a summer for the record books here as we move forward. The cash is very, very firm. And next week we got a crop report. Probably Brazil corn production is going to be top of the list here. And it's just this agriculture, this whole commodities. A couple of things, the same old culprits here going on. Number one, the safrinha corn in Brazil, and it's very, very dry over there. Number two is the firm cash that we're seeing. Number three, now you're hearing corn pulling acres from soybeans. And number 4, rumors of People's Republic of China buying U.S. agriculture. And then 5, the CRB index, the inflation scare, the food rally that we talk about on a weekly basis. So, hog prices are higher than cattle prices for the first time in 20 years. And this is really the largest demand-driven market in history of our market. So let's all have an excellent weekend.